I'm Mariah Grantham.
I'm Michelle Tatar.
And I'm Demetrius Hamner.
And we're at EDM 310 at the University of South Alabama, and we had Topic 6,
which is the digital technology now coming more or less rapidly into our classrooms, if used properly, can help make our students' learning real, engaging, and useful for their future. We agree with this since technology is advancing daily. Students are exposed to more than what we were in elementary school. Children of today will know more about technology than we ever did. Students today are technologically literate, and having this advancing technology in their classroom lives makes it more interesting because it's something they know and do daily. Students use social networking daily, and teachers can use it too to be more relevant to their students' lives.
An example Prensky gives is on page 4 in the book. An important result of the introduction of technology into our children's education is a much shorter span today between learning and meaningful action. Today, students know that when they learn something after school, they can immediately apply it to something real. When they learn to play a game, they can collaborate and compete with others around the globe. When they learn to download, text, and tweet, they can immediately practice in profound social revolutions, such as changing the music business and influencing government policies. As they learn to post their creations and ideas online, they become aware that even as young people, they can truly influence and change the world. This gives new urgency and meaning to the "why should I learn this" question on our students internally asks, and demands that we have a better answer than "someday you'll need it." Today's students expect the same thing from their formal education as from the rest of their lives, that it be not just relevant, but real.
Some proper uses of technology that I have personally seen at Allentown Elementary are the uses of smart boards. Each grade has a smart board, and I've noticed that every grade has the same assignments, and they can use the smart board to interact with the students. They can move words around. My teacher, Miss Williams, personally uses it in her reading block every morning, and the students can move words around in order to make a comprehensive statement out of what they've been reading, how to comprehend it, how to be fluent readers. They use it in math in order to mark out numbers when adding or subtracting, and any grade level can use a smart board for any subject. Another one would be iPads in Baldwin County. They have iPads in almost every grade, and every student actually has one to take home with them. And those can be useful because just like an iPhone, you have your apps, and there are different educational apps that students can download that will help them with their reading. It can help them with their math, social studies, or science. Another one would be podcasts, which could be used if a teacher decided to flip their classroom, and they could record their lectures on a podcast and put it online for students to get whenever they were home on their personal computers. They can watch the lecture, and they can replay it as many times as they would like and hear it as many times as they would like, and they could go back and ask the teacher for help or any kind of questions that they had the night before on watching the lecture. Blogs are another big thing that are being used in classrooms because the teachers are asking them to share their ideas and their opinions on what they have read or done in class, and people from all over the world are reading and interacting with students from anywhere. So those are some great examples of proper use of technology. And for our closing, we would like to thank Teaching Digital Natives by Mark Prensky and the teacher at Allentown Elementary, Miss Williams, for letting me observe in her classroom.